b'Emondi ekiri kukirayo kuhingwa otaireho n'okukundwa mu district ya Kisoro n'ekiri kumanywa nka Kinigi ekyarigire omu ihanga rya Rwanda otaireho n'ekyo ekya Rwangume ekyakoreirwe aha mu ihanga rya Uganda emyaka 15 ehingwire. Frederick Kamari chairperson w'ekigombe ekirigaita abahingi b'Emondi mu district ya Kisoro ekya Kisoro Irish Potato Growers Cooperative Union ashoboreire ngu ekigendererwa ky'okutandikaho ekigombe eki kukakuri okukwatanisa nk'abahingi b'Emondi kurebeka ngu bayongera aha mutindo gw'Emondi zibarikuhinga ekyo kibahwere okwongyera aha ntaasya hamwe n'emishuburo. Ogu ashoboreire ngu omu myaka 2 ehingwire bakatungayo ekindi kika ky'Emondi okuruga omu Rubudaki ekyari kugira ngu eki nikikurra aha speed y'ahaiguru kandi nikyera munonga.
Why we came into being was to address the issue of the market, the quality seed problem, of being cheated by middlemen, lack of training and management. Apparently, having gone through all those dynamics, we are outsourcing seed in two areas. The Dutch varieties, we are buying them from a farm that's producing Dutch variety, Taurus especially in Masaka.
Ebyo bikiri aho Honorable Dr. James Nsababuturo uri omuyeshengera habwabufumbira East ahigira abahingi omu kicweka ekyo okwegendesereza okubyara ebika by'Emondi ebisya ebi batarikwetegereza ahabwokuba bimwe ahari ebi tibirikwera haitaka ryabo.
Amanza wansobanurire kandi bituzaniraga natwe ikibazo ushobora kubifotora guca
Muringo Ngogumwe Harriet Mutuzo production officer wa district ya Kisoro amizengo bwahati abahinzi ab'Emondi mu district ya Kisoro bakiganyirwa munonga mu murimo gwabo abokusisikara kwitaka utaireho no kugira ngo abamwe nibakozesa emiringo mbi yo kuhinga.
No, the issue is low production or low yields of Irish potatoes in the areas that do grow Irish potatoes. Well, basically, it's not seed alone. The main problem is soil exhaustion. Now soils lose fertility, then there is accumulation of pests and diseases because of that monoculture. Then if you continue growing Irish potatoes, then there is completely crop failure.
Ati nko kushobora ku ofisi ye iriye nekora obuceka ihembe kurebeka ngu yashomesa abantu kukira munonga abahingi b'Emondi mu district ejo okwejumbira mu buryo bwo kuhinga obuhikire.
So what I'm advising our farmers now, they should go organic. They should use organic fertilizers to amend the soils.
Bwahati enshaho y'embibo y'Emondi ey'ekika ekya Kinigi negura emitwaro 50 ez'esente za Uganda kandi ya Rwangume negura emitwaro 40. Amakuru aga gashakwa Adonia Atweire awa Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Kisoro.